I said, well, I'll put her over it because she has talent. But I didn't know she also had talent to steal.
Did you take the church's money?
No, ma'am. I did not take the church's money.
Where's the money?
It is my money. I gave 10%. I took in $2,600 and I tithed.
So you are telling me that you took the church's money and said, but guess what, Lord? I'm going to tithe to you from your money and give you 10%.
It wasn't the church's money. It's my money. How are you saying it's the
That
church?
is not your money.
It is.
$3,000 came up missing from the art and drama department.
Plus $2,000 from the tithes and offering.
What happened to the money?
That was my money. We never
Okay, let
had
me
an
stop
agreement.
you, Miss Thacker. I'm going to stop you right now. You were supposed to be there doing the Lord's work, but instead, you just decided you were going to give yourself a raise.
Hold on.
No, you hold on. You hold on.
Your Honor.
Let me just tell you, there is really a special place in hell for people that steal from the
Jesus
church.
Christ.
Special place.
Your Honor.
special
I
place.
steal from
There's
the
a
church.
special
You gonna let me
place in
say my
hell
part? Can I explain my part,
For people
please?
that steal from the church. I have one question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
And I want you to answer my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take the church's money?
No, ma'am. I did not take the church's money.
Where's the money?
It is my money. I gave 10%. I took in $2,600 and I tithed, which is why I deposited $260. I did my part.
Okay, stop.
He knew.
Just stop. So you are telling me that you took the church's money and said, but guess what, Lord? I'm going to tithe to you from your money and give you 10%.
It wasn't the church's money. It's my money. How are you saying it's the
That
church's
is
money?
not your money,
It
Ms.
is.
Thacker. No,
How?
it's not.
We worked for it.
You took the money out of the church's
Your Honor,
account.
but we worked for the
You
money.
should be ashamed of
Your
yourself.
Honor.
You should be ashamed of yourself, Ms. Thacker. All I can say is, Lord, have mercy.
But you're not letting me say my part.
I don't want to hear any more from you. You stole money from a church. Pastor Keenan, is your sister still a member of your flock?
She quit, I guess, the shame of everything, so she stopped going. But I mean, like I told her, she didn't have to stop going. She just can't be in charge of anything.
I would not let her around the offering plate if I were you.
No, never.
Once
Never
a liar,
again.
always a liar, Your Honor.
No, the only liar I see and hear, Ms. Thacker, is you.
You're not allowing me to even say my part, Your Honor.
Because
He
you
knew my
already
husband had took advantage of my husband.
Stop. You've admitted to me that you stole
did not say
money
that.
from the church. Apparently times got hard and your fingers got sticky. Pastor, how much money did she take from your
It was
church?
a total about $5,000.
Okay, so under the law, what you did, Ms. Thacker, just so you understand, it's called conversion. And conversion is where you take somebody else's money, something that does not belong to you, and you keep it. And that's what you did here. And I can't believe that you don't understand how wrong what you did was. You can't come into a church and just decide, you know what?
I told him.
I think I'm working hard here,
No,
so
that's not
I'm
what
just going to take the money, but I'm going to leave 10% and call it a tithe. That's not how this works. So it's a judgment of this court that you, Ms. Thacker, will have to pay the plaintiff $5,000, and I hope you repent. Judge